So where are we going?
We're gonna see a battleship.
He's so excited.
And a submarine.
Yeah, and probably some kind of aircraft. And there's a tank over there too.
Yes, there's tanks, airplanes. Everything cool is right here.
And we are about 5 or 6 miles from the camper, so.
Yes, we are just outside of Mobile, Alabama.
Yep. So we're gonna go in and check this place out.
When they open.
Well, we're like 5 minutes early.
Yeah. Come on. Open.
He's too excited. He's like a little kid.
So, Under Siege, possibly the greatest movie of all time, was filmed on this ship.
Yeah, you love Steven Seagal.
Watch your head.
Make a lot of cookies in that thing.
Yes, we ventured into the bakery.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, we found a place for you, Mikey. The brig. A barbershop. Photo darkroom. Little cameras. The ship's store. 5-cent combs.
Going in a submarine.
He's so excited.
I could spend all day here.
Right,
all
and
day.
I'm like, all right, we are on the time. Need to keep moving.
She doesn't love me.
That was fun.
That was excellent. And if you do come out here, plan on being there all day.
Yeah, we couldn't spend too much time there. We spent almost 3 hours, right?
Yeah, it's 3 hours.
Yeah, we spent 3 hours there, and with Mike, we could have spent all day there. So if you're someone who loves all the branches of the military, World War II, history, whatever, this place is for you.
Yeah, it was. They charged like $4 for parking and then $15 a person. So for the two of us, it was $34. I think it was well spent.
Yeah, and it's going back to maintenance and upkeep and, you know, paying the staff to work at those places. So we're fine with that. Those kinds of things just you don't see very often.
Yeah, they did a really, really good job with the restoration of the ship and the sub. And a lot of it, you get to see a lot of it. There's few places that, you know, are blocked off,
Yeah.
can't get into.
Right.
But overall, I mean, you can get lost.
Yeah, in the ship you can definitely get lost.
You get lost. And on the sub, you just keep going straight.
And you can really burn a lot of calories because it's in Mobile, Alabama. So it says it's 82. It feels a lot hotter than that. So, and there's tons of stairs and walking.
Yeah, and it gets hot in there.
Yeah.
It gets hot.
There's some areas that don't have very good ventilation, some that have crazy good ventilation. So overall, I'd say it was a winner, and that was a great stop.
Yes. Excellent.
Well, right now we've made a detour due to 3 accidents within, I'd say, 5 to 10 mile span.
Let's try Nashville again.
Right now, looking at the traffic on Google Maps, it looks like a catastrophe.